Did you know blockchain could boost global GDP by $1.76 trillion by 2030, according to PwC? It's not just shaking up finance, it's on track to transform healthcare, supply chains, and even voting systems. When most people hear blockchain, they think Bitcoin or crypto trading, but this revolutionary technology is so much more. Behind the scenes, blockchain is quietly redefining the very structure of how industries operate. Think about the inefficiencies we deal with every day: lost shipments, delayed patient records, and data breaches. Industries like finance, healthcare, and logistics are often plagued by centralized systems, lack of transparency, and slow data sharing. That's where blockchain steps in. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger system that offers three key advantages. Transparency: every transaction is visible and verifiable. Security: data is encrypted and tamper-proof. Decentralization: no single point of failure or control. Let's break that down. In healthcare, blockchain can allow doctors, labs, and patients to access real-time, accurate records, without compromising privacy. In supply chains, it can track products from factory to shelf, eliminating fraud and inefficiencies. And in voting systems, blockchain can ensure that every vote is counted securely and transparently. Here's a powerful example. Walmart partnered with IBM's Food Trust blockchain to track leafy greens from farm to shelf. What used to take 7 days to trace now takes just 2.2 seconds. That means faster recalls, safer food, and better consumer trust. This isn't a pilot, it's already happening. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrency. It's a powerful tool that's already solving real-world problems in data transparency, security, and efficiency. From your doctor's office to your dinner plate, blockchain is reshaping how the world works. What industry do you think blockchain will revolutionize next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious about cutting-edge blockchain innovations, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next on Cryptocurrent.